Hi everybody, and today we are going to be going through fraction division. Do not panic, do not worry, this is all very easy, and we are going to be using the KFC method. And you may have heard about that before, you may not have, but this is a really easy way to do fraction division. And the great thing is, at the end of this video there's going to be some practice questions for you to do. So what does a fraction division problem look like? Well, it's going to look like something like this: a third divided by 5/7, or something very similar to it. But we're not going to worry about this because we're going to be using KFC, and that stands for keep, flip and change. So what do we do? Where do we apply all of these things? Well, we're going to keep that first fraction. We're going to flip the second fraction, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. And then we're going to change the sign away from that horrible division, away to something a little bit more easy to understand. So let's see what that means. So first thing is easy. We're just going to keep the 1/3. And then we're going to flip 5/7. Now what do I mean by that? Well, here's my 5/7, and what I do is whatever was at the top I put at the bottom, and whatever is at the bottom I put at the top. So that looks like that. 5/7 becomes 7/5, and I replace that 5/7 with that flipped fraction. Now all I do is I change the sign, and I'm going to change that to multiply, because multiplying fractions is very easy indeed. And I just do the final bit, which is for multiplying fractions, multiply top by top. 1 times 7 is 7, and the bottom is 3 times 5, and that's 15. And that's it. That is the KFC method of dividing fractions. So let's have a let's let you have a go now. This is the practice. So here's my problem: 2/3 divided by 5/8. We're not going to panic about this, anybody. This is easy. What do I keep? Of course I keep the first fraction, 2/3. What do I do now? Well, I flip. What do I flip? I flip the second fraction. If you need to just rewind and have a look at that, but I change the top for the bottom, bottom for the top. Then what do I do next? That's right, change divide to multiply. Then I multiply the top by the top. 2 times 8 is 16, and bottom by the bottom. 3 times 5 is 15, and that is it. Okay, one more go, your chance. Okay, what do we do? Well, you know the drill now, don't you? I just keep the 4/7. What do I do next? Again, we're smashing this. I just flip 3/8 over to 8/3. Then what do? I change the sign, multiply it out, and I get 32/21. Well, sometimes you might see that you can simplify this fraction, but other times you're going to be good. Okay, that is it. And look, it's painless, everybody. Subscribe to the channel. I'd love it if you did. I'm going to put some links up here to some other videos that you might enjoy and might help you on your math journey. See you later. Bye.